Everybody, my name is Kenny. I like to eat a lot of sushi, so I got to thinking about and doing the math. I wonder if I could just make sushi at the house. So I went and bought my salmon, and I'm going to cut this up. I'm a complete beginner, but hopefully this is like my journey to becoming a sushi chef. So stick around and let's see what we learn. Pretty cool. If you go to the shop, they can, if you request it, you want to keep salmon. I've done a little bit of research, but you want to keep salmon really cold. So a lot of times your places will throw some ice in there for you. So I like to ask them to add some ice just to keep it really cold. People who are concerned about this, like I said, I've done a little research. Farm salmon, the food that they feed salmon and anything farmed, it should be like really good to eat raw. Like if you're buying wild caught salmon, that's when you get into risky areas with parasites and stuff. But anything farmed is safe to eat. And I'm just doing salmon because it's literally my favorite sushi fish to eat. Like it just, for me, it has the best, that I've found so far, has the best flavor. But like I said, I haven't done this. I've done this one other time and I failed, but I'm trying to get better. From what I've seen, I like to get the pieces that are like a little bit thicker so that you have something to kind of pull from. If you get little thin pieces that are like this thick, then you're not going to have very big pieces of fish on your sushi. So first things first, I like to take this. Well, like I say, like I said, I've watched a few videos, but just want to cut that out of the way. I'll get some meat on that, but that's going to be tougher meat on that side. Okay. And now we have our clean piece of meat. Alright, I feel horrible because we were so hungry that I've already eaten like half the sushi. But I'm just going to go ahead and... So, online I read that you put a little bit of vinegar, or rice vinegar in your water. Kind of splash it down your hands, get your hands wet. Keeps the rice from sticking. In here I have my prepared rice. You don't want to squeeze too hard. I like to just kind of barely squeeze back and forth. I know there's all kinds of technique and stuff to this, but like I said, I'm a beginner. So I'm gonna get my good little rice ball going here. And then what I like to do is I take a little wasabi. I say a little, but I actually love wasabi. I'm gonna put some wasabi on right here. And then I take my piece of salmon. I dip it in my soy. And then lay that across this. And that's all the soy. I don't like to dip. I just dip only my fish. But it comes down to, this is my finished product. And we're going to try this. It might not look as good as some of the professional sushi. I promise you it's as good as I've had it at any restaurant. But I think it's definitely worth it to buy your own farm salmon and play with it and see what you get. But this was like my second, maybe third time doing this, and I'm not disappointed. But I appreciate it, guys, and join us next time on our next little sushi adventure. Thank you.